Hello everyone, today is going to be a video, or videos I guess, because this is probably going to span over a few different videos. I'm going to show you how to work with files. So reading, writing, deleting, and all that stuff, the extra parameters that go into each one, and different things like that. So, I guess we'll just get started. First, I'm going to show you how to write a file, how to make it. We're going to make a file that will be right here. We'll name it, and we'll write to it after it's made and all of that. So what you have to do first is you have to assign a variable to the path name of the file, or if the file doesn't exist, where you want that file to end up at. And then after that, you assign the mode within the same parameters of the function we will use. So you have to make the variable, which is an object, since Python is object oriented, and for that we're going to be using some name for that variable. Let's say files, yeah, just files, that works. And then we'll do files equal to open, and then parentheses. Now open will open the file path, and if the file is not there, it will create that file depending on which mode we give it. If we give it write, then it will make it. If we give it read, then it will give us an error. So first we need to make parentheses and quotations with our path name in it, so c:/users/Kurt/desktop, and then slash, and we'll name this one test.text. And after that, outside the those quotations, we're going to make a comma, then another set of quotations with W in the inside, and this assigns it to write. Press enter, and now as you can see here, we actually do have our file test, and if we open it, it is completely blank, so we're going to fix that. So to start writing to it, just do files, or whatever you named it, .write. And inside these parentheses, you're going to make quotations, double or single, and then you're going to type the name of it. So we'll say this is one line, and then we're going to do \n. And if you know escape characters, \n will make a new line within Python. So as you can kind of guess, this is going to allow us to use escape characters. So then we'll say this is line 2, and then we'll have a \n, \t, and then this is line 3. And so this will just show you the different abilities that the write function has. Now if we were to go down here and open our file, we're going to see a problem. It's still empty. And that's because we haven't closed it. So to close your file, you're going to just do files, or the name of it, .close with parentheses, and enter. Also you can see like files.close, and then it says none or perhaps an integer, but we'll go over that stuff later. Delete. Okay, so if we minimize this and open up test, we'll see this is one line, and then it does another line. This is line 2, and then another line, and then a tab space. This is line 3. So that's cool, but what if we need to read the file? Well, you're just going to do files equals open, and then give it the same path name as you did before. So just locate your file, and then we're going to be using c/users/Kurt/test.text. And then outside of those quotations, we're going to do a comma, another set of quotations with R. And as you guess, R is going to be standing for read. So we press enter, and now if we do files.read, we will be able to actually read it. This is one line, backslash. This is line 2, backslash, \t. This is line 3. Now, you may be wondering, well, why does it print out the escape characters if it's not interpreted in Notepad? It does that so you can actually see what's going on, so you don't delete a line that has, well, escape characters in it, and you don't see that because it doesn't show you. So that's why it's actually shown. Now that's awesome. Well, what if we want to read lines? That will be for part 2, because this video is getting a little long. Don't want to make it too long and bore you guys. So thanks for watching. Comment if you have any questions, subscribe for future videos, and just look in the link in the description below for the link to part 2.